What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Get Lost to Get Found. My name is Cesar Marquez. Today I'm at the YVR airport, and in today's episode I will be showing everyone how to get from here all the way down to Waterfront station. Basically, we are in Richmond City, and it's about 45 minutes to an hour from here all the way down to Waterfront station by SkyTrain. It's a two-zone fare zone, and I'll be showing everyone basically how to get from here to there. I'll be showing you how to pay for your tickets, how to board the train, and which stations you'll be going by and which stations you need to get off. If you've never been to Vancouver, guys, welcome. If you feel like you're gonna get lost, that's even better, because this is what the show is all about, getting lost to get found. And once again, I'll be showing you how to navigate all the way from here to there. So within that being said, guys, let's get lost to get found, all right?
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright, guys, so we made it to the top platform. We are about to purchase our transit ticket. This is always exciting for me, depending on which part of the world I'm at, just because it's never the same. It's similar, but it's never the same, and it's always exciting, just because, language barriers and whatnot. But this is the compass machine that we'll be using today in Vancouver, BC. And from here on, guys, you have a few options. You can purchase your compass card by single tickets, multiple tickets, upgrade your tickets, be rebalance, and choose your zones. In this case, we'll be purchasing two zones, which is $9.20. You can either pay with credit card, cash, debit, or Visa. And in this case, I'll be using debit. So I'll be paying in a second. Just give me a moment, guys. And again, from here to downtown, it's gonna be two zones, so we have to pay $9.20. If you happen to travel outside of the Vancouver area, it's gonna be a little bit more. I highly suggest you do, just because there's so many things to do. If you travel a lot, guys, I would actually suggest that you purchase a compass card, an actual compass pass, because it'll be cheaper just to tap in and out instead of purchasing each single time. So this is how you do it. You have a few options: monthly pass, day pass at store value. If you happen to be here for a while, maybe it's best to buy a monthly pass, and these are the prices. but we won't be doing that. You can also load your Compass card. You could pay cash, debit, credit, and then just tap your card and it's loaded depending on how much you want to pay. If you want to check your balance, you can do the same thing here. You can also do it with your bus tickets as well. And if you want to choose different languages, this is what you do. And this is the map in case you guys want to be a little bit daring and get out there and explore more. So yeah, let's go inside, guys. And well, you've made it to Vancouver, BC. This is the last view that you'll be getting from the airport. On your right hand side, this is where you tap your Compass card ticket and gives you access. And this is the train track. From here, guys, you would own. Oh, what's going on there? Weird. Anyways, from here, guys, you would only be taking one train. This one train leads you all the way to the downtown waterfront area, and it goes through basically most of the stations that are here between South Vancouver and all the way down to downtown. So yeah, don't worry about it. One train will do the whole work. So you've made it. This is the last view that you'll get, guys. So we'll see you at downtown waterfront.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls.
Alright, everyone, congrats. You made it to the waterfront station, final stop destination. If you notice, when you get out of the train, you'll have an option of making a left turn or a right hand turn. In this case, we're going to be making a left hand turn, leading us towards House Street. I'll show you in the legend here in case you have a different, in case you're heading to a different area. So in the bottom hand side here, guys, it's leading towards House Street, towards Canada Place, Convention Center, Waterfront Center, St. Clair Center, and Emergency Refuge. On the right hand side, it leads you towards Cordova Street, leading towards West Coast Express, Seabus Canada Line, back to the airport, Helijet, buses, elevators, and washrooms. So with that being said, let's go down towards the left hand side. We are almost at the end, guys, of our journey, just within a few minutes. So I'll be basically directing you or guiding you guys to the last, to your last destination. So just real quick here, before we exit, I'm gonna show you real quick, just in case you happen to be a little bit hungry. Right straight ahead of you, you'll notice the food court. This is where you could buy different meals. There's a McDonald's in there, Burger King, Tim Hortons, many other stuff. In case you want to shop or have a need of any services, this is where you can go as well. Again, just another guide showing you that you got to get back to the other side in case you are heading somewhere else. And without further ado, guys, you have made it to downtown Waterfront. Congrats, everyone. Straight ahead of you, you'll notice Canada Place. Just gonna show you around the area so you can get a little acquainted. But basically, this is it. You've made it. Congrats, guys. Seriously, proud of you, proud of myself for making it together. And if you have any comments or questions, just please drop it down. Let me know and hit a likes. And yeah, welcome to Vancouver, BC, British Columbia, guys. Congratulations. All right, guys, welcome back. Pat yourself in the back because we made it and we did it together. For some of you, it might have been a little easy. For some of you, a little bit hard. But regardless, guys, we are here. So, yeah, congratulations. Right behind me, you see what it is, Waterfront SkyTrain station. If you're wondering where I'm at the moment, I'm at Canada Place, which is just a few meters away from Waterfront Station. Basically, it's one of the landmarks that you'll see as soon as you come out of the station here, and basically just around the corner, just right over here, it's where you're gonna be heading towards Gastown area. It's another beautiful part of the Vancouver city, downtown, which you would definitely need to check out. It's one of my favorite areas, so a lot of places to go see once you are in Vancouver downtown. So again, guys, congratulations, you've made it. Pat yourself in the back. I'm sure it wasn't easy, but however, we got it done. Once you're here, just make sure that you get to explore everything that you get to see, and just ask around, because there's so many things to do here, guys, in Vancouver, BC, more than you think or more than you heard of. So please get out there and enjoy your vacation or enjoy your time while you're here. All right, good job once again, guys. And if you have any questions or any comments, just drop them down and I'll be able to follow you guys back. Okay.